Morning. So, in the grand scheme of being a trucking company owner, farmer, and I guess fleet mechanic, it's like 5 in the morning, so it's before office hours. So usually each morning I'm out here in the shop working on equipment. In this case, it's the plow truck. Because for some reason it decides that after it runs for a little bit, it doesn't want to keep any coolant in it. And it just blows it all out over the ground. Now, I did have head gaskets done like 3 years ago, and it doesn't get used much. So hopefully it's not a head gasket issue. My little bit of research on the internet said it might be thermostats not opening correctly, and I don't know if those were done, and a radiator cap. So we've got new thermostats, got a new radiator cap, and apparently they're right there, under this junk. So found a nice little thing online with step-by-step instructions. So we'll throw new thermostats in it and see if we can get the good old farm pickup / plow truck / service truck / whatever up and running, and to stop dropping all the coolant on the ground, because the heat doesn't work then when it's on coolant and it's a plow truck. And I can wear lots of layers, but having to scrape the inside of the windshield and get the ice off while you're plowing isn't really, the best way to do things. So let's see what we can do. Being an entrepreneur, you can experience the highest of highs and the lowest of lows all within the same day. All you can do is laugh in these situations. Now, of course, the joys of our modern era and YouTube, you can usually find videos on how to do a lot of this stuff. I mean, no guarantee that they actually know what they're doing, but at least they try. So we're following along with a YouTube video. Luckily, they try to tell us the size of bolts. Hey. Well, that just came off. I don't think it's supposed to do that, but it did. Well, supposed to check. Oh yeah, no, we had all sorts of carbon buildup in there. Son of a gun. Nearly 300,000 miles on her. She's not perfect. Oh, right on the money, dude. Okay, so you will actually slide out. Morning.
You're up and at it early.
All day, every day.
That's what happens when you own your own business.
You wake up, your mind starts racing, and you're like, screw it, let's go to work.
Exactly.
Huh. I'm a YouTube star.
Post the stuff on the internet.
No, I actually send it to BulkLoads.com and they turn it into videos. There's a whole BulkLoads University series. We'll have there's hours of content
Oh, neat.
about running a trucking company and dealing with all the shenanigans that comes with it.
Good for you.
If you're ever bored, it's on the internet somewhere.
I'll do that. What was it? What's it called?
BulkLoads University.
Okay. Take a look at it. Okay.
You too. Just kind of making this up now. I don't really feel like pulling everything off, so we're gonna see if we can just slide it out. It looks like I can. Well, it's leaking coolant, so there must still be some in the motor. Righty tighty. Lefty-loosey. Wait, it's already pulling up and off. That's cool. I don't even know what that, that's coolant line, so yeah. Ideally, if we can pull this bad boy off, we're good to go. All right. Certainly sounds like Mike is having some issues. Stuck?
Yeah, she will. We'll grab some
Grit.
pig litter.
Yeah, that whole thing over there is full of it. Or you can just take some off the spreader truck.
Let's take some off the spreader truck.
Well, that seems easy. There's there's the shovel. Now, if we take this one off over here, we should be able to bend it enough to get it out of the way. Well, that was easy. Huh. One thermostat. Two thermostats. Guess we really didn't even need the frickin' YouTube video. That's actually really simple. They made it out to be much more of a deal than it actually is. Conveniently, my parts people put rear and front on the new ones. Okay, put this back on. Okay, in all seriousness, I could do this in 5 minutes now. That was like stupid easy. Be really nice if I remember where all these bolts went. Okay, so that one's a clear one. Bugger. Bugger. I really wish I could see what was going on down there. Be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Really should have looked at which ones came out of which holes. Kept better track of that. That one's definitely not going to be a long one. And that one, you go here, I know that. It's all there. Where's both the long ones go? Really wish I remembered. Oh, look. You could do this little spacer thing. Oh. Okay, that makes more sense now. So you don't actually go there, Bolt. You gotta come back out. You go back in the back area. You go here. No. Correction. That was the weird 10. That just randomly showed up. Everything else is a 12 mil, except for that one. That one's a 10 mil. Because it's a problem child. It doesn't even want to go in. Does it go up here? And maybe it goes there. Where do you suppose you go? Do you go here? Nope, wrong way. So those two go there. One really does look like it's supposed to go somewhere else. So this one must go here. God damn it. Go to your home. Whatever. I don't care. We'll deal with you later. I truly do not remember what went in there. So that's going to be a power line. Yeah. Just like that. And that goes through there too. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. We got her, guys. We got her. Except for that 12 millimeter that went. Did it make it to the floor? Of course not. Yeah, it did. You're good. You're good. Okay, this bolt sucks. Not enough clear. Okay, so that one's back on. And this thing kind of sits in here. You get one long one here. Fantastic. And you end up getting one here. Also fantastic. There was one pesky 10 in here somewhere. There. So you can go in there. I really have no idea what that one was for. Oh no, that's not even for that, because that's where that long bugger, that thing goes. Interesting. This is at a really weird angle. How the hell did you even get it out, Rob? You had to get it out with that, didn't you? Good thing. I need a longer extension, which makes no sense because I got it out without a longer extension. But aha! What the hell is this thing? Just like an expansion chamber or something? I don't know. A little strange, but stay. Looks goodish. Good-ish. Well, the only one we got left is that one. Fuck, where did that 10 mil go? Oh, this is it. This is the 10 mil. Red back, Loctite. We'll get her. We'll get her. We'll get her, get her, get her. New one. There you go. Just top it off with some coolant, and that was it, actually. Now that I know what I'm doing, I bet you I could do that whole project in 5 minutes. Yeah. Well, now I'm done early. So, I guess we'll pull... Nope, I got lights for my toolboxes to put inside because it's warm. They should stick today. They didn't stick the other day. Then I'll bring in another truck. 17, the Volvo that has all the issues, and we'll start going through the wire harness. Woohoo. Super fun.